my channel. My name is Soft Brown, and on this channel I will be doing diamond painting videos. This is my very first video, and I am doing this video to mention doing the Summer of Mandie. It's a group event that's being held over on Facebook. You'd have to work on a Mandie Manzano painting, and I've chosen to work on Lady Cubana. This is an old kit from Diamond Art Club, and I think it was not quite but almost one of my first canvases. This is the canvas. Like I said, it is Lady Cubana. It is a round. It is a round kit, and like I said, it's an old kit, so it's in one of the older boxes. Most of the kits that I have are from back, I think my last kit I bought in 2022, so I won't have any of the kits with any of the new boxes or the new tool kits. So with that being said, we'll get into the kit. This is, like I said, this is Lady Cubana, and I think I got this kit back in 2019. It was one of my first ones. I've done a few diamond paintings, but I haven't done a whole lot. I got out of diamond painting because I picked up cross stitching, but I've decided to put down my cross stitch, and I've picked back up doing my diamond painting. So isn't these colors beautiful? I'm sorry about the light overhead, but isn't this beautiful? Like I said, this is a older kit, so this is what the kits used to look like. This came on just a sheet of paper. I don't have it. Like I said, this is an old kit. I've had this kitted up for so long, and it does not have any of the old packaging because old kit. But anyway, this is what the canvas looks like. This kit was made by Diamond Art Club. It's one of the companies that I bought most of my diamond paintings from. This kit is, I've removed the plastic and replaced it with Diamond Art Club's release papers. They come like this. I will show you. They come in a box like this. They come in this size. So I cut them down so that when I remove one of the release papers, I can just work on that section instead of having a large section open. So yeah, so this is what Lady Cubana looks like. She is so beautiful. I cannot wait to work on the kit. So the event starts on June 1st, which is tomorrow, and it runs, I think, through August 31st. I will put the information on the screen if that is not correct, but I think the rules have to be that you have to start a new canvas or at least have a 30 by 40 area to complete. The size of this canvas is 63 by 50, and none of it is done. So I just wanted to share, with this being my first video, I really just wanted to get this documented, that the canvas is blank when I started. So I will be back to work on it with you guys. Yeah, that's it. So this is my first video, and I want to thank you guys for stopping by, taking time out of your day to watch the video. If you like content like this, I would appreciate if you subscribe. If this is something that you really like, leave a like. All right, you guys, that is it. That is all I wanted to share, and I will see you all in the next video.